Hello, beautiful breathers. Welcome to your Breathwork Pranayama class. Today we work with the body and breath to detox and cleanse the subtle layers of our being. We perform 3 rounds of Kapalabhati, followed by 2 rounds of Anulom Vilom. If you're new to these breathing techniques, please follow the tutorial videos prior to this class. Be sure that the stomach is empty and the body is warmed up. So if you're ready, find a quiet place and let's begin. Sit with the spine straight in a comfortable position. Place the hands on your knees in a mudra. Close your eyes. Bring your awareness to the breath as you settle into this present moment. And as you connect to the rise and fall of each breath, let's set our intention for our practice. To cleanse and let go of any fear, worry, stress, anything heavy that may be bringing you down, so that we can welcome more love, positivity, and compassion into our being. Let's prepare for round 1 of Kapalabhati, about 70 breaths. Remember, go at your own pace and rhythm. Exhale completely. Inhale and begin. Focus on forceful exhalations while pumping the belly. You can go fast or slow, whatever feels comfortable. Just keep a nice rhythm. Last few breaths. Take a deep inhalation. Slowly exhale and relax your breathing. Scan through the body and notice how you're starting to feel warm. Good. Now for round 2, around 80 Kapalabhati skull shining breaths. Keep a nice rhythm, fast or slow, it doesn't matter. We're still detoxing and cleansing all of our systems. So let's begin. Exhale completely. Inhale into the belly. Pump it out. Everything is still loose. The shoulders are relaxed. Nothing is tense. Just pumping out all the toxins. Keeping the awareness on the exhalation. Last few breaths. Inhale deeply. Slowly exhale. And continue breathing fully in this 3-step way into the belly, up to the ribs and chest, and then back out. The body is open. New blood is flowing, rejuvenating every cell. Connect to this. Beautiful. 3rd and final round if you still feel okay. 90 Kapalabhati breaths. Feel free to stop earlier if it's enough. It's all good. Listen to your needs. So let's exhale completely. Inhale into the belly and exhale. We're heating up the body, our internal organs, releasing stagnant energy, stuck emotions, anything no longer serving us. Pump it out. Almost there, a few more breaths. Good, full inhalation, fill your entire being with new life energy. And exhale slowly. The energetic system is open. Connect to what's going on within. Beautiful. Now we will perform 2 rounds of Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing, to purify the energetic channels, bring clarity to our brain, and allow more space for vibrancy and vitality. So go ahead, slightly bring the chin down. Bring the right hand to your nose, thumb on right nostril, ring and pinky on left. Index and middle are folded. Exhale, block the right, inhale through the left. Exhale out the right, inhale through the right. Exhale out the left, inhale through the left. Out the right. Good. And keep breathing fully as you alternate between the nostrils. Observe how you take the cold air in through one nostril, passing through the third eye, your head, filling up your entire being. And then exhale. Notice the warmth as you let go more and more. Last few breaths with full attention. Take your last inhalation, hold the breath, release the hand back down as you exhale out of both nostrils. Relax the breathing, deepen your awareness. Now for the final round of Anulom Vilom. Chin down, spine is still straight. Right hand to the nose, thumb on right nostril, ring and pinky on left. Exhale completely. Take a full deep inhalation through the left. Slowly exhale out the right. And again, slow inhalation through the right. Back out the left. In through the left. And keep alternating, breathing slower and slower. And now make it more than just breathing air. You are breathing life force energy, cleansing and releasing, balancing both sides of the body. Beautiful. Beautiful. Few more breaths, make them count. Take your last inhalation. Hold. Place the hand back down and slowly exhale. Relax the breathing. Let it flow naturally as you allow the body and mind to settle in stillness. Welcome more relaxation into the face muscles. Include a mini smile and notice how the face feels. Your head, the temples, your eyelids, nose, mouth, down to your neck. What can you feel? Loosen the shoulders. Drop them away from the ears. Continue scanning through each part of the body, deepening your awareness. A lot is happening within you. New life, new energy is flowing. All the stagnant is leaving. Let it all happen. Observe and let it be. Thoughts, emotions, feelings, memories that arise. This is all just content. You don't need to do anything about it now. Give it space and let it be. Observe and let it be. Beautiful. Wherever your awareness is, bring your attention to the belly and generate a sense of gratitude for all that it does to keep us healthy and balanced. Breathe in, breathe out. Now bring your awareness to your heart. Connect to this area where you experience love for yourself and others. an area with endless amount of strength to carry you on even during the toughest times. Let it shine, knowing that it's always guiding and protecting you. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. And with every inhalation and exhalation, every rise and fall, let's thank our breath, this pranic energy keeping us alive and connected to the source of true peace and harmony. Take a deep cleansing breath in and a slow, gentle breath out. Feel free to continue sitting in stillness. However, if you must go, you can end this practice with me by gently moving the fingers. Rub the hands together. With the hands together in Anjali Mudra, bring it up to your third eye in between the brows. Bow down and take this moment to thank yourself for taking the time to do something good for your well-being. Place the palms over your eyes. Massage the face and the rest of the body with kindness and positivity. Sending you love and light. Namaste. Thank you for breathing with me today. I hope you feel rejuvenated and refreshed. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practices like this. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.